Find the value of x for each of the following. You've got 5 to the minus 3, all to the power of 4 times 5 to the 6 is 5 to the x, and b, 3 cubed over 81 is equal to 3 to the x. So we've got 5 to the minus 3 to the power of 4 times 5 to the 6 is 5 to the x. What we need to do is make here the base just 5, because we'll have the number 5, so we've got to collect all these together. So using a to the m to the n is equal to a to the mn on this bit here. This becomes 5 to the minus 3 times 4 times 5 to the 6 is 5 to the x. So that becomes 5 to the minus 12 times 5 to the 6 is equal to 5 to the x. Now we use another rule of indices which says a to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. So what we've got to do, we've got the same base, so what we need to do is add together the powers. So we've got 5 to the minus 12 plus 6 is equal to 5 to the x. Therefore we have 5 to the minus 6 minus 12 plus 6 is equal 5 to the x. So we've now got a single 5 here, single 5 here, so we have the same base. And therefore for this to be true, we can just say that x has to be equal to minus 6. Right, the second one, we've got 3 cubed divided by 81 is equal to 3 to the x. Note that 81 is the same as 3 to the power of 4. 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 27s are 81. So we've got 3, this becomes 3 cubed over 3 to the 4 is equal to 3 to the x. So using a rule of indices here to make this a single base of 3. We're going to have using a to the m over a to the n is equal to a to the m minus n. So this becomes 3 to the 3 minus 4 is equal to 3 to the x. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So we've got 3 to the minus 1 is equal to 3 to the x. So again we've got the same base of 3. Therefore x must be equal to minus 1. So this has been a video to show you how to solve exponential equations by making the base the same on the left hand side and the right hand side. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.